Hey, what's up guys? It's me, A from the A.V.A squad, and today we're going to be playing Exploding Kittens. It says right here, a kitty-powered version of Russian roulette. I've played this game before and it's a really fun game but I'll just go through the tutorial so you guys can learn and so you guys can download this game yourselves. So, this is a game where they're like kitty cards and like there will be like a bomb, an explosion bomb, and everybody might have a diffuser, like one or two diffusers. If you're lucky, you might get three, and then you can defuse the bomb. I'll just learn the game. Let's learn the game. There are several exploding kittens to the draw pile. To win the game, don't draw an exploding kitten. See what a card does, just tap on it. Alright. To play a card, drag it to this discard pile. I'm just gonna shuffle, clean the litter box. At the end of your turn, drag a card from the draw pile. And wait, what's the tip? You can play as many as few cards as you would like on your turn. Ooh, nothing but cat butt. That's it. The goal of the game is to avoiding drawing an exploding kitten. So the first one who blows up is... Oh, first I have to change my avatar. And I want my name to be Aria. Aria. My name is going to be Aria. Then I'm going to be changing my avatar. I want to be the devil. Oh. There's only some things I could be. I could be blue, brown, green, orange, pink.
Well played. Wow.
I want to be pink. If they had black, I'd be black. I am Aria the pink. Okay. I'm going to find a public game. I don't have any money, like, in my card, but for Christmas I am getting some expansions for this, so I'm using the core deck right now. So nothing special. So I'm waiting for players. So there's Daymorg, Jossum, Adorable, Skunk. Oh jeez. I'm so ready. I'm ready for this game of exploding kittens. Chance of kitten explosion. Ooh, he was the first one and like... Oh, the kitten banjo. That one's cute. Jossum's turn. Oh my god. See the future. He calls upon the pigacorn. Oh, it's my turn. Alright. I will steal a card. Watermelon. I'm going to steal one from Skunk. Give me Skunk. Ooh, I get a single slap and a double slap. I stole a card from Skunk. Oh gosh. Oh, what do I... Oh, I have to take a card from the pile. Ooh, I get to see the future if I want to. I'm gonna say, I'm so scared. There's one that says, I'm so scared.
I'm so scared.
I know! Wait, no. No, I want this one. Oh my gosh. There's a defuse, a shuffle, and a skip. So got it. I got a defuse. I got 2 diffuses. Skunk. Alright. I'm just gonna take one. And I got a shuffle. The pigacorn sees the future. And actually, the more cards you have, the more chance of you have surviving. No. Okay, thank goodness it's not me. Is it my turn? It's my turn. I'm going to... No, I think I'm gonna double slap. Gonna double slap Joss. He got an exploding kitten. Oh, he defused it. Or else he would explode. I really want to survive. Okay, there's a 25 chance of kitten. Of exploding kitten. Alright. Ooh. Catnip sandwich. I defused the kitten bomb. Hide the kitten. I'm gonna do it. Hold on. So it's his turn. Second. Hide kitten. Oh, dang it, he shuffled! But at least I have a defuse. Ooh. I'm gonna skip. Ride my bunny raptor. I don't want to. I'm giving him a... No, I'm giving him a single slap. Jaw from the bottom. Like the scared little baby you are. No, I swear. Actually, everybody should take from skunk.
Potato.
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 My turn. My turn.
1, 2, 3 kittens. Your turn.
That was my last defuse. How am I gonna survive? On the bottom. Hide kitten. I only have 2 cards. I don't think he has a defuse. What happened? What's happening? He exploded! Wait, do we continue the game? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna skip. Don't take a turn. Take a nap. I only have 1 card left. I just want a card. I just want a card so badly. No! Oh god.
It's your turn.
I really want it. I'm getting cards. Oh. What chance of it is kissing? 100%. It's 100% of kitten.
It's your turn.
Oh. Let's go backwards. And I exploded. I'm gonna probably join another game. I'm gonna leave because I already did. So I'm gonna go again. Core deck again. McMuffin. Ooh, I love McMuffins. Cheeseburger. All right, let's get this party started. And I'm so screwed. All right. Ooh, I gotta pick a coin. Okay, thank you. Oh, my turn? Oh yeah, my turn. I think I just might take a card. Ooh, I got another defuse. That cuts the bomb off. Oh, there's 15% chance of kitten. It's like connected. I take this as a... Seriously? See, there was no exploding. Wait. 5th. Wait. Random. I don't care. 17% of chicken. I mean, kitten. kitten. Seriously, I used my last feud. It's red. This is red. Okay. That's disgusting.
Throw it away!
24%. I'm not drawing from the bottom. No, I'm gonna see upon the future with the pegacorn. I'm actually wanna steal a card from Kitty Cat. Steal one from Kitty Cat. Give me a card from Kitty Cat. I want a Kitty Cat card. Ooh, I gotta shuffle clean the litter box. I'm a taco cat. Ooh. Seriously. Seriously, why me? I feel like all the bombs are headed on me. I'm disconnected. Like, I have exploded. Why me? But I love this game. This game is amazing. It's like a Russian roulette game. I'm leaving the game. Yes. Alright. Now I'm going to be playing another. Oh, only 2 people now. Alright. I think this is going to be the last game, then I can end the episode. Whose turn? A Jebberger, I don't know his name. Oh, I like the devil one. I got a steal card, Rainbow Ralphing Cat. Ooh, he got an exploding kitten. But doesn't everybody starts off with a diffuse, so that's alright. So if you're the first one to get 17% chance of a kitten, that's not too much. So yes. I love this game. This game is so awesome. Ooh. Steal a card, somebody. I would probably steal one from that devil person over there. He looks like a mischievous little person. Ooh. I'm going to steal a card. Oh god, he threw up on me. Oh my gosh, but that's so cute. He throws up rainbows. Yes, I got a skipper. I'd go bunny raptor. Oh, I get to take one. Yes, sir. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please sure to like and subscribe. So let me know if you want more of this game. So bye-bye.